Good morning, Joe. How are you?
Morning. I'm good, thanks. How are things there?
Very well, very well. So for anyone that doesn't know, Joe is the CEO of One to Infinity. They're one of our partners. They're doing some really exciting work, so I wanted to catch up. So, Joe, what do One to Infinity do?
One to Infinity is a platform which allows you to access processing power for all your needs. So whether that be gaming, or you want to train AI, render out movies or animations, anything, any piece of software which is on your computer, you can run that with our software.
Amazing. And what's the story behind One to Infinity? Why is that your driving force?
Well, One to Infinity actually came off the back of another project. About 3 years ago, we were working on a different project called Vital. There, we were trying to create realistic avatars for a metaverse boy band. So we quickly realized whilst trying to build out these realistic avatars that we didn't have enough processing power to build them, let alone animate and then render them. So we ended up pulling together a couple grand to upgrade my computer so we could continue working on them. Out the back of that came this idea which you could access processing power for any length of time and for any task.
Wow, amazing. And what do you feel the benefits of our collaboration are?
Well, our collaboration will help create essentially a highway for data transferring through the network. With your technology, we're able to send data up to 64 times faster throughout the network, meaning that latency is not so much of a big of a problem when we go after these other markets such as gaming, going for live video games, and also just for general processing. Allows us to send the data a lot faster, making everything a lot more efficient.
Amazing. Well, that's great. That's what we're here to do. So we've talked about distributed computing, we've talked about accelerated networking, we've talked about metaverse, boy bands. What's next for One to Infinity?
Well, in the long term, we're looking to obviously create a general solution, which means any piece of software that ever comes onto the market will be instantly on our network, and you'll be able to use it whether you're the only person using it or everyone's using it. So, but in the short term, we're looking to quickly add AI training into our existing stack of network, which obviously appeals to businesses looking to train their AI, and we're looking to do that in a very secure manner. So you won't have to worry about, if you're looking to work with big corporations, you won't have to worry about, that data going at risk to train the big corporates AIs, and yeah, we'll be secure with us essentially.
Wow.
Yeah, and in the very long future, we look to help create the bridge in transitioning from hardware devices into hardware-less devices. So no longer will you need so much hardware in your phone; just simply maybe a piece of glass that connects to our network would be the ideal.
It's the future. Well, look, Joe, we really believe in what you're doing, and I, for one, and me personally and the company are so excited to see what the future holds for you and for us together. So thank you for making the time to talk to us.
Great, cheers. Thanks, Joel.
Nice one. Thanks, Joe.